YouTube, it's Ivy the Happy Whisk, and today I'm going to try something I never did before. I'm going to roast onions in the air fryer. They're in, they're ready. I'm going to put it on 350F, about 180C, and we're going to see what happens. Listen to that. Listen to that. All right. Got some oozing. 20 minutes. Pokey pokey. I'm going to put one on a plate. You know, now that I think of it, it's kind of like the red peppers that I roast. Or the beets, you know, putting it in that container and just letting it finish up, which I might do. But just out of curiosity, I have to open one first because I never did it before. Okay. She's very hot, so be careful. Oh, I'm so excited. I love my air fryer. Freaking love it. Alright. Oh, look at it! It just popped right out. Oh, look at you, you beautiful onion. Oh, you're too hot for me to taste. Oh. Alright, so we'll just slice it. Oh, it's got a little, it's soft, but it's got a little crunch. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm so happy. I love my air fryer. Alright, this is too hot for me to do anything with. But I'm really excited. 20 minutes in, half will go in this Pyrex. I'm going to close it. I'm going to let it do its thing to cool down. And the other 4 are back in the air fryer. I don't know, maybe 10 more minutes. Let's find out. You hear them? That's 30 minutes in with the leftovers that we had. So you can see there is some juice and muck. So if that bothers you, you know, there's always the option of parchment or baking paper. I don't know how well it will work, but I'm just showing you what mine looks like. In the new bowl. All right, I like that. I like that. All right, let's close it up. Let's close it up. Let's let that get cooled down and see what happens, much like when I do the peppers and the beets. Be back in a little bit. All right, here we are, 1 hour in. I took the lid off. Let's see how difficult or easy it is to peel the skin. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. I'm very happy with that. This is the one that I did for 20 minutes. Oh, there we go. There's another one. I wonder if I pull that off. I wonder what will happen. Let's see. Let's take that off and let's go. Okay, so it might look gross, but welcome to my show. Oh, it's not doing it. I was hoping it would go bloop. Wait. Oh. Well, that's not blooping like I'd want it to, probably because the thing is on. That's beautiful. I am going to save this, though. Just put that right there. Oh, the smell is so nice. I love the onion smell in the house. These are sticky and sticky and sticky and sticky, so be aware of that. Some of you might want to wear gloves. I'm good. My hands are clean. Little apple cider vinegar, little maple syrup, local, down the road maple syrup, tiny bit of kosher salt, sea salt, whatever you like. And for this one, I will add a little bit of water. Okay, a little bit of water. Let's taste that. A little more maple, a little bit more apple cider. A little more kosher salt. I transferred it to a small jar. It's coming up over the top. I would rather have this underneath the liquid. So we're going to flip it. We're going to try. Might make a mess. Ta-da! Ooh, this is the one that went 30 minutes. And it definitely has much more of an oniony smell than the 20 minutes. Alright, this one, I am going to add jalapeno dust. There's a video for how I make jalapeno dust. I will leave that in the show notes. Raw apple cider vinegar, local, down the road, pure maple syrup. Now I'm going to taste this before I add any salt to it. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Let's go a little more maple syrup. and a tiny bit of kosher salt, sea salt, Himalayan salt, whatever salt you like. I am going to do just a tiny bit more maple. I might end up pureeing this and making like an onion maple jalapeno sauce. Like a hot sauce that I would put on my rice. I don't know. That's the fun. That is the fun of getting in the kitchen and trying things. So what if it doesn't work? I only used a little bit of onions. Worst comes to worst, I can chuck the whole thing out into the garden. I don't want to do that. I'm not really a big fan of waste, but I'm also definitely not going to not try. Is that right? Not going to try? I'm going to try is what I'm trying to say. I think I like the 30 minutes better than the 20 minutes. There we go. Little itty bitty onion something that I made. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So far I'm pretty excited. I really love the air fryer and all that we can do with it. I'm doing a photo shoot for something else, but I wanted to do an update on this. This was the onions, or these were the onions that got chopped with the jalapeno, the maple, and I believe I used a little kosher salt, no water. Very good. I love this. I let it sit for a couple days, and now I absolutely love it. It's got that maple and then that jalapeno together. What doesn't work though is when I put it in between bread with a burger. I had a fake burger. I couldn't taste it anymore, so I didn't like that. But I did like it plain on the side with some cooked mushrooms. That was delicious. Really good. I want to use this in hummus too because I think it will go really well. It's got really nice flavor the longer it sits in the refrigerator. But again, not on a burger because I can't taste it. This one, you know what? It's just okay. I wouldn't make it again. It's just okay. It's like, oh, okay. I see maybe, possibly, but I wouldn't make it again. I don't know if it's because I had too much water in it. Where this one didn't have any water. So maybe that's the difference. But that's my update for right now. I will definitely be air frying those onions again. And sneak peek. Are you ready? Sneak peek. Sneak peek coming through in 3, 2. Oh, too late. There it is. Roasted red pepper hummus that I made in my Vitamix. That's coming up for a different video. It's absolutely fantastic. That's what I'm doing the photo shoot for. And wait, let's see. Can I come around the other side? Oh, what else did I make in the Vitamix? Tahini. Sesame seed butter, sesame seed dressing, whatever you want to call it, tahini butter. It's absolutely fantastic. Both of these are coming up in a future video, but I just wanted to update you on the onions. This definitely yum. I really, really love the air fryer for so many things, and the onions I will do again and again and again, and probably turn them into some kind of really cool onion spicy sauce. That's it for me. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. You guys can come over, check me out on Anchor. I'm also on iTunes and a bunch of other podcasting places. And until then, I will see you next week right here on YouTube.